Hi there, I'm Brad Camp, and I was asked to do a series on dealing with injury, and I guess invisible injury, mine being traumatic brain injury, and sort of what to do, how to go about it, and you know, if you find out you've got it, steps to take. So the hardest thing right off the bat is accepting it, that you've got an injury, and trying to identify it or put some sort of understanding to it. You think you're normal, you feel normal, you look normal to a lot of people, and you go about life, right? You do what you used to do before the injury, and you pretend like everything's okay. Could be for quite a while, could be for years. But you know deep down inside something's wrong, and you pursue it. You want to know what's wrong and why you're being perceived differently and why you're acting differently. And the people closest to you probably pick up on it first. And it could be that you're not reading the same as you used to, or you're not enjoying life the way you used to. And then you start seeking help, I guess. And with seeking help, a lot of people won't hear you. Doctors, anything like that. You have to look for something specific. One of the best, I guess, is to walk into an emergency ward, especially if you're an older guy like me, in your 50s. At my age, you can walk into a standard emergency room and say, hey, I'm feeling depressed, I'm feeling frustrated, I'm feeling something or other. And they'll take a look at you real quick and probably pick up a phone beside them, and they'll be really quiet, and they won't ask you a lot of questions, and then the next thing you know, you're being escorted into a psych ward. And that's okay, right? Because you're looking after your health. And there's people who do not look for videos on this topic, and there's people who want to try and pretend everything's okay, and they go inwards and they shut down. And depression leads to suicide with some guys. And knowing that is why I want to reach out to you. So if you're watching this, don't let that depression take over. Just go into a hospital first off, right? And you will be cared for gently, and you'll be given time to think, right? We still have to be adults. We have our family. We have to take care of them. But if we don't take care of ourselves, then there is no one for our family. So this is video 1 of, I'm supposed to do 10. So if you enjoy it, follow along. And if you're in need, go seek help. Really, like now, right? You don't have to make a big deal of it. Just walk into that emergency room, patiently wait, and there won't be police involved unless you show any hostility, don't do that. Just go in nice and calm and just tell them you're struggling. And they'll be there for you. They were there for me, they still are. And the RCMP, or if police, quite often have some sort of training. And yeah, so take the time right now to realize you're watching this for a reason. And don't procrastinate, right? Seek the help you need. Hopefully you do well, and I'll talk to you soon.